Okay, so this is pretty fun today. I get to take a look at the VEVOR inner tie rod toolkit. So there it is. That is a nice long shaft. So if you don't know what this is, on an inner tie rod, there's a little hex bolt that you have to grab onto, but it's on the inside of a tire wheel. It's really hard to get a wrench to. So with this, we have this slotted tool, and it'll fit one of these collars on it. So it just drops in like that. And this one's actually pretty cool because they put a lock on it. So you don't have to worry about that thing falling out when you're trying to fish it into the area. So you would take that, you would drop that onto that nut, and then on the other side, we have this 1/2-inch drive on here. So we can take our 1/2-inch breaker bar and we can break that thing loose from outside the wheel well. We've got this long shaft that'll reach all the way to the inside of that wheel well. So this will make that job a lot easier. We can see on here, we have a nice knurled grip on here, so we don't have to worry about that thing slipping out even when we've got grease and oil and stuff on our hands. So yeah, this is an awesome tool. You can see we got a bunch of different dies. We got metric here on the bottom and we got standard on the top. That is a 1 3/16 to a 1 1/2, and we have a 29 to a 42. So it doesn't matter if you have domestic or imported, you're still gonna be able to make that work with this tool. So this is an awesome tool. And I have to say, I really like the case on that too. Yeah, so overall, I'm very happy with that.